In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Perplexity AI extension for Chrome. By the end, you'll have the extension installed and ready to go with a clear idea of what to expect at each step so nothing catches you off guard. First, make sure you're using Google Chrome on your computer. Having a stable internet connection helps, and if you're signed into Chrome with your Google account, the extension can sync across your devices. Now, in the Chrome address bar, type Perplexity Chrome extension and press enter. You'll see search results, but the one you want is the official Chrome Web Store listing. It should open on a page with the Chrome Web Store address and show the Perplexity extension details, like its name, icon, and an overview. This matters because it keeps you on the genuine, trusted source. Open the extensions page and take a second to confirm you're in the right place. You'll see the Add to Chrome button in the top right area. Click that. A small pop-up will appear asking you to confirm. This is Chrome letting you know what permissions the extension needs. Give it a quick read so you're comfortable with what it can access, and when you're ready, click Add extension to continue. Now, wait patiently while Chrome downloads and installs it in the background. Depending on your connection, this can take a few seconds. You might notice a small download animation on the icon or a brief spinner. When it's done, Chrome will show a confirmation message saying the extension has been added. That's your signal that everything worked. On some setups, you'll also see the extension's icon appear near the puzzle piece in the toolbar. If the Add to Chrome button changes to something like Remove from Chrome or shows a check mark, that also means the installation completed successfully. If for any reason you don't see the confirmation, give it a moment and make sure your internet is steady. Occasionally, school or work computers have restrictions that can block extensions, so if it doesn't install, that could be why. In most cases, though, it's quick and seamless. That's it. To recap the flow you just followed, search for the Perplexity Chrome extension, open the official Chrome Web Store page, click Add to Chrome, confirm by clicking Add extension, and then wait while Chrome adds it for you. Once you see the confirmation, you're all set and ready to explore what Perplexity can do for you right inside your browser.